My name is Alexei Musienko, and I'm the founder of One Relationship Away. As a direct result of meeting and getting to know Mike Dillard almost 10 years ago, not only did it change my business, but it changed my life. The truth is, it probably even saved it. I've only shared this with Mike privately. The fact is that when I met him, I was at one of the lowest points in my life. I was ready to give up on my dream life and go back into the corporate world where I dreaded just the existence of it. It was his Self-Made Man podcast that inspired me to think bigger and to create a bigger impact. And now, the reason why I'm doing this testimonial is Michael has come out yet again with one more amazing program that will over-deliver. And that's getting richer every day. Just from experiencing just a few lessons in this amazing program, I have already learned that the fact is your physiology can control your desires, your thoughts, and even your actions. So it's very important to make sure that you take care of that first before you spend any money on tactics or strategies that might not even work because your physiology is out of whack. If you're on the fence and you're thinking about investing into this program, here's my advice to you. Take Mike on his offer of money back guarantee and check out the program for yourself. You have nothing to lose. And trust me, this will be one of the best investments that you've done in a long time. I know that because every program that I've invested with Mike Dillard has created a return for me of at least 10x. I could imagine the return it can create for you when you start scaling your life and taking your life to the next level.